Hi guys, how are you doing? So today we are going to do a little experiment, and that's a balloon experiment. So I saw a lot of videos already in YouTube with different experiments with the dipping technique with the balloon. So today we will going to use exactly this technique. I'm having a very big canvas today. It's a 26 by 30 inches, and today we are not gonna use any medium, but we will be using a school glue, a general purpose school glue. Also, I picked up some colors which I think are going to work together in different combinations, such as yellow and purple are always going nice together, as well as orange and purple can work. And then we have, of course, yellow and blue, and this baby cotton candy color, which is a very nice pink color, can also work together nicely with either blue or purple. So we will be trying to do a different kind of flowers on the canvas. So we'll see how it's gonna go. Also, I do have my 100% silicone because I do want to get some cells, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be adding this in each and every color. We will see how it's gonna go, but let's get started. So the first thing that we are going to do is mix all of the colors, and the recipe is going to be one part of the paint, one part of the school glue, a bit of the water. Because we're going to be using paints as little drops and then smashing them with balloon, I do not need a lot of paint mixed. So we'll just use little cups. Because my canvas is really big, I'm actually going to be using a big painter's brush to spread the paint. So at this stage, I did not add anywhere the silicone, but I will add the silicone now to the dark colors. So as I said, I'm going to add the silicone to the dark purple, blue, and okay, let's go green. So mixing. So now we will add a bit more in the white spaces, and I think we're actually good. There is nothing else needs to be added. It's very nice, very easy painting to do for anyone, and I'm really pleased with the result. As you can see, there is not a lot of paint is being used, just like a tablespoon of the paint, and there you go. It looks really beautiful, and the result is, I'm very pleased with the result.